एग्जीबिशन में मौजूद हूँ जो बनो काबिल के जो 1.0 के बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने बनाई है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर डिफरेंट किस्म की मौजूद हैं और बहुत सारे मेहमान मौजूद हैं उनसे हम बात कर रहे हैं जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे लोग पाकिस्तानी हैं और बहुत सारे लोग बाहर से भी आए हैं, डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से लोग आए हुए हैं। यहाँ पर एक और इसी तरह के हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, साथ ही हम उनसे बात करते हैं और उनके रिव्यूज़ लेते हैं इस बनो काबिल प्रोग्राम के बारे में, इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में। Hi there, how are you?
Good.
What do you say about this initiative, Bano Qabil program 1.0? You are here watching the exhibition here. What are your views about it?
Okay. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Lee. I come from Huawei. I in charge the cloud ecosystem development. So today it's my honor to join the Bano Qabil this program. And today I saw lots of the young generation come here. And they really do the amazing things. I just visited this, you can say, booth. So we're thinking from the Huawei side, we are the ICT infrastructure provider. So we can see how collaborate with your program and the future, how we support Pakistanians. I think Pakistan will play an important role in the ICT industry in the future.
You have seen the exhibition here.
Yes.
What do you think? What kind of potential Pakistani have in there?
Okay, so I saw just some first students, you can say, they build their e-commerce platform and there you can say digital marketing platform. Some is really, you can say, good products. But I think that they lacking the platform, how to promote their products. So as industry roles, so we can take some responsibility to connect them to the industry.
Out of Pakistan, when you see people talking about Pakistan in such negative words, you are here, what is your response to them?
Okay, so when we talk about the future, we always see the resources. So today I saw, you can say 16,000 talents. They come from everywhere to show their ecosystem. So I don't think so Pakistan will go negative. So I saw the young, you can say, generation here. They will make the Pakistan, you can say, stronger and bigger.